Welcome back. In this video, we're going to work with our project and assume that there is a case where you may have to replace someone that's already part of your project. If that's the case, you're going to go to your Everyone link, and then you're going to work with the individual that you're going to be changing. We'll assume that one of the people we're working with, we're going to have to remove them from one of the projects. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this one superpower, and we're going to remove them from one of the teams. In particular, we're going to have to remove this person from the project that we're working on. And so we're going to then make sure that this person now has no access. We're also going to change everything to don't invite. What we're now going to want to do is to come inside of this person's screen, and then we're going to reassign their tasks. We're going to take this task and we're going to reassign that task. We're going to reassign all of the tasks that this person is involved in. Now again, this is going to be pretty important because these individuals are now going to get a new email stating that they've now been given a new assignment. Naturally then, we're going to post a message stating that one individual has been removed from the projects and that other individuals will be assuming new responsibilities. So we're going to make sure now that everyone gets the email. We're going to post it to everyone, and then we're going to click Post this message. What we can also do is give some individuals more authority. So for example, we can go back into Everyone. We can choose one individual, and we can go into their superpowers and access. And what we can do is we can give one of these individuals the ability to create projects. That means then that they'll be able to work with the templates and then create additional projects. We can make other individuals an admin. We go inside of their superpowers, and we can make this person an admin and give them the ability to work with the content inside of the projects and administer them also. So what you'll be doing once the project is over is reassessing where you want to have people for the next project. And you can give some people more authority and the ability to create new projects by using the templates that you have already put in place. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.